Second, learn what to say and what not to say, both in writing and verbally if you choose to speak on the phone. Also learn a super easy way on how to get the high-level executives' names, email addresses, and we also cover with you how to calendar and document your communications for leverage later. This comes into play because remember, you don't need 8, 10, 12, or 15 no's. You just need one yes, and you'll get it. Now it gets good. Third, in writing, be sure to demand a copy of the 14-day demand redemption letter and insist on a copy with the printed name and signature of the person who sent the mandated letter. If they produce a copy of such a 14-day redemption letter with no named person signing it, then this is negotiation gold, baby. How can they produce an affidavit from anyone that they even sent that 14-day redemption letter to you? How can they do that? How can they counteract your future affidavit that you never received the 14-day redemption letter, which is required by law, and their failure to send or properly document the sending is negligible, and any dispute over this shall favor the consumer for any such type of discrepancy. And of course, this presents reasonable merit, and they've got a big problem. We have a few more follow-up tactics to really nicely and politely put them in a pinch, so get ready. Fourth, formally demand pics from immediately after the car was repossessed, inside and outside the vehicle, and the pics also after the auction sale of the vehicle, but before it was released to the new buyer. There should be 2 sets of pictures. Demand pics of the inside and outside of the vehicle as well. And this next part is huge, huge, baby. Demand the name of the person who took the pics and the date and the time that these pics were taken. And any other witnesses with their full name and their position, title with the company, and where they were employed at that time, in case they hired an outside photographer, during the taking of these pics. And have it all be subject to this reference to count. Separate bonus info on your written demand, write out the entire word pictures and not pics. And even specify with film and or digitally. I know a nightmare story. Yes, we all know why wording is so important, and most assuredly, we are excellent at this. This next one is huge. Then also demand to determine if that sale was open to the public or if it was a dealer-only auction, only open to car dealers. Also demand the name and date and address of the auction house that supposedly auctioned off your vehicle. Do you know that many repossessed automobiles are not sold at auction? They lie to you. They sell them cheap to one of the manager's family members at the car dealership. This destroys their BS calculation of deficiency. For more credit, debt, foreclosure, and more great tips, subscribe to the channel